Hey guys at Drum TV, my name is Chef Lentswe and I'm your chef from Africa on the Plate. Catch me on Saturdays at 5:15 on BT channel 129. Where is my best location or destination been in Africa in terms of food and culture? It's so hard to answer this one because I truly am in love with the entire continent of Africa. But if I must choose one, guys, please don't feel bad. It has to be Stone Town, Zanzibar in Tanzania. It is beautiful. It reminds me of where I grew up in Durban. Very subtropical weather. It's very hot and humid, but the beaches are to die for. The food and the spices remind me of home back in Durban. Very influenced by the Indian travelers. So yeah, Tanzania, Stone Town, you've got my heart. Out of everything I've eaten in this entire world, out of my entire being on this earth, oh my gosh! The best thing I've ever eaten, it's a cliche, but only because it's true, is literally the meals that my mom made me. That and the meals that my father made me, because they built for what you see today. My mom taught me how to cook. My father taught me the entertainment and the enjoyment in cooking. So put those two together, that's what I do today. I entertain with food, and I got that from my parents. I think for me, I know and I believe for me, it was when I started playing with food. When you start playing with food, with textures, with spices, with herbs, with different grains, you learn to understand your own palate. So now I know what to make for myself when I'm feeling sad or I'm feeling like I want a meal with textures and. So if you want to get to a man's heart or a woman's heart, understand their palate, understand what makes them groovy inside in the mouth and cook towards that. Catch my show on Saturdays at 5:15 Central African time.